Hello everybody, welcome to Go for Green Living. My name is Daniel, and today I'm giving you an update on the solar system and showing you a way you can add a lockout tag out to your grid tie system and have an off-grid on-grid system with a grid tie. It's really complicated, but if you stick with me, I'll go through it step by step so that everybody can understand. But first, everything is brought to you by Green Hippies. Yes. Y'all go check it out. It's about being better people. So anyway, what have we been up to? Now, Ruth and I have been getting the solar system ready. And let me show you. Okay, now, in a grid tie system where you want to be selling power back to the grid or just trying to make your power bill zero, your wire from the grid tie needs to be before your usage, before any of your electrical. Okay, so this is your meter head. Now your grid tie needs to come in right there in between anything that you have electrical, right? So now what I'm doing is I'm adding this whole box is going to be a lockout tagout box. Now what it means, lockout tagout box, is just means that I can secure all my power needs through here. I can lock it out, everything, so nothing will go backfeed up through there, and I can work on the entire system without any troubles and everything. So this box is going to inevitably be nothing but a 200 amp lockout tagout. And the grid tie will come back and it will connect in through a breaker into here. Okay, but we'll get into that complicatedness later on. But this, just to show you this part, this is for new construction. Get you a box and make it designated the first thing coming in there. And then no matter what, you have a lockout tag out for every power company there is. All right. Now the update part of this is that Ruth and I, we buried this line with this conduit up through here because this is where the solar system's going. Right here. So first will be the initial wire coming from the grid, and then I'll have another grid tie wire, which you see I have two of them running back through there. Okay, now this is going to be a refer back to video but this is actually the first step. So I'm building a platform here, and this is where all my solar needs are going to be housed inside this platform. This is all going to be concrete. I have these two steel beams right here. Let me show you these beams. I'm trying to drill 5/8 bolt holes through these right now, and it works. I just got to take it slow. But I have these two beams right here that somebody told me that I could have if I just removed them. And they were concrete in the ground, and they were twice the size. I actually cut them in half. It had a winch on it. It had all kinds of stuff on it. So we are in the process of cleaning these poles up. Now this will be the support of my solar system. I'm going to put all my solar panels on these, and these will actually go 4 feet in the ground, and they'll be suspended 9.5 feet up there in through those holes I'm digging. Okay, so y'all got the general foundation, how we buried the wire, Okay, now this might seem complicated. You'd be like, what is he talking about? But, guys, let me tell you, this is going to be a refer back to video. When I've gone on some and I'll say, refer back to this video, you see where I buried the wire to get ready for the grid tie system, which I'm wiring up at that time. So, anyway, so you'll understand better later. But anybody that's had a solar system will understand exactly what I'm talking about. But this system is going to be concrete and steel. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Stay tuned, more updates coming.